to our distinguished guest, Reverend Father Kevin McHugh, Sister Maria Celestine T. Viernes, RVM, our school directress, Sister Maria Edna Arlano, RVM, our finance officer, Mrs. Socorro F. Valdido, our school principal, Mrs. Angelita R. Mendoza, our high school academic coordinator, members of the Administrative Council, MCS, faculty and staff, parents, fellow graduates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all of you. Today is a meaningful occasion for we graduates will make one big leap toward a new chapter in our lives. 4 years ago, I entered Malate Catholic School, curious about what my school life would be. As a graduate from a private non-sectarian school, I wasn't familiar with the system and all the practices of a true Catholic institution. So, it was only natural for me to experience culture shock on my first year. I still remember my first day in MCS, as it just happened yesterday. I really made a big impression when I introduced myself as if I was auditioning for a talent show. I also remember my very first public speech for the SCB elections, where I really explained that I graduated valedictorian in grade school. Time truly travels fast. And now, I'm here standing in front of you, yet again, with the highest academic honor I worked hard for. I remember our practices for the Pastoral. The most memorable one was my very first Pastoral. This is because it really taught me, don't talk to strangers, for we were held up. I don't really feel bad about the incident. I'm even more thankful that I experienced it, for now I am more careful.
Too careful.
No day was ordinary this school year. Every day, we had a lot of things to do. Homework, projects, group PBTs, to name a few. To add more to the stress, we also had to fill up college applications and take a series of examinations. Due to our hectic schedule, one of my classmates thought of a great idea. Why not make an online group where we could post all the assignments and the reminders so that we could all be updated and that we would know what we had to do.
Thank you, Facebook.
So he made us our very own Facebook group, which in my opinion, not only updated us on the things we needed to do, but made us bond even more, making us one strong class. It is also here in MCS where I experienced big events like the past, the annual open house and foundation day, the Nutri-Jingle competition, and our junior-senior promenade. Through these activities, I learned to become a true Malatean, courteous, responsible, smart, well-rounded, and above all, reverent and God-fearing. It helped me realize and learn a lot of things in life, but the most striking lesson I've learned is that true friends are not easily earned. Helping schoolmates with their homework, handing out homemade chocolates, inviting them to parties, or doing them favors are not the only or best ways of gaining friends, simply because you just end up impressing them, not winning them wholly. For me, the best way to earn friends is by going through with them the challenges and difficulties of high school life, including being scolded by your class advisor a lot of times. It is in going through the same suffering where one feels sympathy and compassion for each other, making concrete the idiom, misery loves company. Words may not be enough to express my appreciation and gratitude for everything the school has done for me, for us students, for making my high school journey challenging yet rewarding, and most especially for helping and guiding me reach this new milestone. To my classmates and friends, I can't tell you how blessed I feel and how much I appreciate growing up with you. I am very proud to be part of high school class 2011. We have been a part of each other's lives for the past 4 years, and I hope we continue to keep in touch after today. To my dear parents, I appreciate your unending support and encouragement. High school and adolescent life became less challenging because of your help and guidance. My projects and homework will not be complete without your final touch and scrutiny. You have been patiently providing me with whatever I need and ever ready to grace affairs in school. Thank you also for giving me the opportunity to study in one of the most trusted institutions, my alma mater, Malate Catholic School. To the MCS family, its administration, faculty, and staff, thank you very much for your inexhaustible patience in nurturing our minds. Your untiring efforts made our school experience fun and enjoyable. All of you have been our inspiration, our role models, and friends rolled into one. Thank you for ensuring that we get the best training. Thank you for the care, understanding, and love, which inspire us to becoming better persons for our family and for others. And ultimately, to our Heavenly Father, who gave us the gift of life and family. To Him all the glory and praise forever. My high school experience was not perfect. Like any other, I also have some regrets or missed opportunities. Each of us went through the good and the bad times, but I wouldn't trade my high school experience with anything else. Everything that happened to us, everything that we've been through, has made us who we are today. As we venture out to another chapter of our lives, let this quote of Mr. Frank Outlaw be our reminder. Watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it becomes your destiny. Again, thank you very much, and as William Shakespeare said, I can no other answer make, but thanks and thanks. Thank you and good afternoon, and welcome to our graduation commencement exercise.